Hi guys. Well, I'm 47.2 or 347.2. That's after I ate and I just weighed myself again. That's what I'm 346.4 right now. And it was an hour and a half after I ate. I was 347.2. And before I ate, I was 346. Dang it. 346.2, I do believe. And then I ate, and I was 348.6 or something like that. I wrote it down. Yeah, it's 340. I was 346.2 just before I ate. That was right before I ate. And in the morning, when I checked myself, I can't remember. I think I was 347 or something like that. And then at 1:30 I ate. Yeah, after I ate, I was 348.6, 6 or 2. My blood sugar before I ate was at 5.2, and 2 hours after I ate, I was at 347.2, and then just now I'm 346 point. I think it was 4. Dang it, I forgot to write it down. 346 point. I think it was 346.6 or point 4. One of the two. I'm gonna write that down. 346 point. I do believe it was point 4, if I'm not mistaken. Just a sec, I'll be right back. I'll probably have to do it a couple times to get that. Yeah. Okay. Try again. Make sure. Oops. Ugh. 346.8 and 347.2. So I'm going to put 346.8 because it rang off 346.8 twice and 347.2 or something. I hate that when it does that. It pisses me off. That's why I want to get a new one. So I'm thinking on doing a 48, and just going right into a 48. And I'm charging my phone. My charger right there. You can see that. A friend of mine gave me that. It's you just put your phone on it and it'll charge it. It's wireless charging. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do 48 because the only way to get the results that I want is if I do 48s and 72s. Because my skin's not, it's not, it's still, it's not hanging or nothing. So because I'm losing it gradually. So I'm gonna do 48s and 72s, and I think that's what I'm gonna do for this month. I will be doing OMADs as well, but I think a lot of them will be 48s and 72s, mostly probably 48s. They're just 48s seem to be easier than 72s. 72s you start to wears on you a little bit, I start thinking about, because the hunger pains left after the first 36 hours. After that, I wasn't really getting hungry anymore. Um, and if I did, they didn't last very long. And by 48, after the 48, your mind kind of wants to have some food. And I noticed that I was drinking a lot more water, and then I've been drinking my snake juice too. So you definitely really got to watch. Well, for me, I had to watch what I did, because okay. Well, I'm gonna let you go. So I'm gonna be doing a 48 instead of a 24. So I got to set that on my phone on my Life app. It's a fasting app. A friend of mine, Keith, told me where to get it. If you're thinking about doing this fasting and stuff, download that app. It's an awesome app. And download a stepper, like a Fitbit or something, or buy a Fitbit. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look for a Fitbit, so I always have it on me, and then have my tracker. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I am feeling awesome. This is what I had. I had 3 sausages, 3 eggs, and Caesar salad with hummus and an avocado in it, and some shredded cheese. And I couldn't eat it all. I had to end up throwing some of it out. Okay, bye.